All right, question 8. Determine the number of terms in each sequence. Now again, this is in the section that we call arithmetic sequences. So the formula that we're working with here has got to be Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. When we're asking for the number of terms in each sequence, essentially what I'm asking for is what is the n value associated with this last term here. Because remember, for the first term, n is 1. For the second term, n is 2. For the third term, n is equal to 3, and so on. So what I don't know is what the associated n value is with that last term there, that 49. If I know what that is, then I know how many terms there are in that sequence. So we know that the last term in the sequence is 49. I can read it off right there. The first term is a. I don't know the n value. That's the whole point. We'll figure that out in just a second here. But I also can figure out what the d is, what the common difference is. And remember, the common differences will be the second term minus the first term, or the third term minus the second term, and so on. In this case, that's definitely 3. Now, it's just a matter of solving for n, because I have everything. I know everything. The only thing I don't know is the n. So I've got 2 terms here, so my first job is to move that second term out without the n. So I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. That'll get me 45 is equal to n minus 1 times 3. And now I've got 2 factors here on the right-hand side, so I've got to get rid of the factor that doesn't have the n in it, so I'm going to divide, and we'll get that 15 is equal to n minus 1. And now again, I've got 2 terms. I'm going to bring over the 1. Remember, I'm going to add 1 to both sides, so I'm going to get n is equal to 16. So what that means is when it's there are 16 terms in that given sequence. Whoa, sorry about that. Oh, I lost it. There we go.